Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody watched somebody else's video. They did not send it to me, but they can't figure out which size to make a hotkey to make a little icon box with the size in it. So for this to happen, you've got to have a object selected. Go to Tools, Options, Customization, and he typed in size, but which one is it? Is it this one? Is it this one? Is it this one? Well, with that object selected, if you'll go right here to and just left click, it will tell you which one is that little box up there. Only key I can think of, and it works out pretty good, to have the letter S and assign it and then say OK. So when you have an object selected and you hit the letter S, it comes up with this little box. Now, you still have to make sure your either ratio is locked or unlocked up here, but you could change this to 10. It'll make it even. It'll make it 10 inches. I don't see the advantage of this particular hotkey, but maybe so in some cases. Let's unlock our ratio now and hit S, and we can make it 10 by 10. Well, that I didn't. I had it locked. So let's hit S again and make it 10 across. And so now you have a 10 by 10 square. I don't really see the advantage since it's right there and it's always there. Maybe he's a little bit confused. He has to have an item selected because this is your page size. And if you look, it actually tells you if you hover over it, object size. But it doesn't really, show you which one it is. So whenever you're making a hotkey, if you can go to that item, it'll select it when you do that. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.